What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger video. Guys, a lot of you guys have been asking me how to get bot servers in Fortnite, so you guys are getting a lot of XP in Fortnite Battle Royale. So the reason to get bot servers, guys, is by you guys gotta go to settings. You guys gotta go to here, guys. You guys have to put a different language, guys, because if you put a different language, it's gonna be a whole different thing, guys. Look, if I put Polish right now, guys, the words will be different, guys. The words will be different, but that is fine, guys. You guys load into the game, and when you guys are done with the game, you guys go back to English, put it back. But it's super easy, guys. You guys put a different language, and you guys will be getting bot servers, guys. But if any of you guys want to be gifted, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell, guys. Look how many skins are in the item shop, guys. I'm going to be gifting everybody who drops a like, subscribes, and hit the bell. That's how I'm level 90, guys. That's how my friends are level 180, guys. We've been doing these bot servers, and we've been getting really high levels, guys. So hope you guys did enjoy this video. Hope it helped out. If you guys did get in the bot servers, make sure to tell me down below, guys. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching.